Welcome to Harvard School of Digital Marketing. Today we are going to discuss the LinkedIn marketing. LinkedIn marketing. LinkedIn is used by over 30 million businesses. Not just because it's the best place to find and hire great talent. With over 690 million members, brands are increasingly adopting LinkedIn to network, connect, and sell. How to use LinkedIn for business? First, create a LinkedIn page. Before your company can start LinkedIn marketing, it needs a LinkedIn page. Here is a quick guide on how to set one up. If you haven't already created a LinkedIn profile, you'll need to do so first. Complete your page. Take your LinkedIn page from basic to the next level by adding more detail. This provides visitors with information about your business and improves your ranking in Google and LinkedIn search results. There is a reason complete pages get 30% more views. Share your page. Let people know your LinkedIn page is up and running. If you have employees, send a company-wide email with the news. Let them know how they can follow the page and add it as a place of work. Add LinkedIn buttons. Add social media icons to the header or footer of your website or newsletter, so it's easy for people to find your LinkedIn page. Create a LinkedIn marketing strategy. With your company page ready to go, it's time to think about your LinkedIn marketing strategy. Share posts with rich media. Posts with photos and videos typically perform better across social media. The same holds true for LinkedIn. Optimize posts for reach and impact. When it comes to posting from your company page, there are a few LinkedIn best practices for businesses to consider. Post at the right time. It's important. LinkedIn Live. The only format more engaging than video on LinkedIn is live video. Live broadcasts see 24 times the engagement that a pre-taped video does. Launch a showcase page. Create a LinkedIn showcase page to show off special initiative or engage a target community. These pages give LinkedIn members another way to follow you, even if they don't follow your page. Learn from LinkedIn Analytics. Check LinkedIn Analytics regularly to improve your LinkedIn marketing strategy. Track post metrics to see what people engaged with most, what drove the most action, and what flopped. Adjust your content calendar accordingly. Target the right audience. One of the more noteworthy LinkedIn marketing tools is its organic targeting option for posts. Page admin can target posts based on follower profile data, including organization size, industry, job, seniority, geography, and language preference. If you want to know more details and improve your LinkedIn marketing, then why are you waiting? Join the Harvard School of Digital Marketing. Our training classes are online or offline. We are the #1 digital marketing institute in India. Our courses are certified by top university in India. We are offering 3 types of certified diploma programs in digital marketing. Digital Marketing Certification Program. Certification Program in Digital Marketing, Graphic Design, and Web Design. Certification Program in Digital Marketing, Graphic Design, and Web Design UI and UX. Our training program during 6 months. First 3 months we teach about the course completely and practically. Next 3 months arrange an internship and live projects in top MNC companies. End of 3 months internship, you will get 3 months internship experience certificate in top MNC companies. We offers additional career support services for you. There are resume building, portfolio building, interview questions and answers, personality development, soft skills training, LinkedIn profile building, communication skills training, mock interviews, one-on-one mentorship, job portal, career counseling, and dedicated placement offers. Our alumni placed in top MNC companies. We have 3,000 alumni and 11,000 hiring partners. We have 5 branches in Asia: Singapore, Dubai, Chennai, Bangalore, Coimbatore,